Okay, well, let's check out what's going on. Mike's working away on the little Nova. Did all the leaf spring bushings, did the subframe rail bushings, put new shackles in the back, got the coilovers in the front, working on some pieces. I don't want to open this because we had to repaint that front bar there, but there's some grill fillet panels that go in there. Where are they? Here they are. Customer had bought them. It says like Nova. Kind of covers it up, so I had to do a little fabricating in there, make those fit. And that's it. Then tomorrow, just get the stance right, play with the coilovers and do some work to the back diff there and get her sitting down at least a couple more inches. That's what's going on with the little clean little Nova. Nice little car. Like I say, the owner, Matt, he brings it out to me every year and does a little more work to it every year. He's had this car forever and he just enjoys it, and it's his car. And that's all good. I'm working away over here on the 65 cab. If you all remember, I'm getting the so I got the cab corner put in there, but it's all rotten in here. So I had to make it up from somewhere here and make all this up. You can just see I'm just spot welding it in a little bit, putting that in. Then of course I'm started cutting there because you can see got to cut all the way along. So I'm going to cut this a little further. I was just cutting here for the hell of it. I'm going to cut this right out till I get to this bend. This will be one piece. Then I'll fabricate up this piece here. And I'm actually lucky. It's solid as a rock there. But then we continue with the rust down over there. So, but I'm only going to go to the end of that and then stop. A couple holes here to weld up. Then I'm kind of do my grinding and I'm kind of done on this side. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come around and I'm going to get all the holes. The owner wants all the holes welded up in the firewall except for a couple. So I'm going to get all the firewall dealt with. Then I'll get onto the other side and work my way around the back. So still there for a bit. It's after hours now, so I got the gas pedal bracket here painted up for the 58 Chevy. Going to mount that. And you can see I got her outside because she's leaving tomorrow for wiring. She's gone. So that's always a good thing. Set this down right there. And what came in today was, remember I told you the gentleman, the heater worked good, but he didn't have the bypass valve in. And a lot of people they always end up screwing up, so people don't bother putting them in. Well, I did order me a brand new one, and it came in today. Not cheap. It's like a couple $100 right there. But it's factory, it's original, goes in the hole and just makes it complete. Just gets her done. So I'm going to get that in there tonight and a couple other little things I got to do here, and then tomorrow morning, I think around 10 a.m. we're going to drag it over to my buddy Dan. He's going to take care of the wiring. Going to be over there for around 3 weeks. Not that it takes 3 weeks, but he's got other jobs and stuff on the go, so you know, be over there and that'll be good. Neighbor's car. Had a little accident with it on the other side on the door, so you can always got to help the neighbors out. Sean's working away in here. He's working on the Falcon. He's got a VW hood he's feeling there, so that's it. There's the Falcon. Falcon's all in 400? Yeah. Falcon's all in 400. That's the worst of it. So now now we'll fit the hood on tomorrow then. We'll put the hood on it tomorrow, and then we'll put it outside and get ready, and then one day next week we'll just roughly finish it real quick in 600. That'll take like a day, and off to paint it goes. So there we go. And you're working on the VW hood there, are you?
Yes, yeah. I forgot the front balance. I will grab that.
Oh yeah, it's somewhere. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah. That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Yeah.
There we go.
A couple of spray bomb fiber spots, but nothing.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Dodge pickup sitting here. It's in final primer. It's going to be coming back in the shop this week and start final blocking it and then paint these door jambs because the doors are painted. Doors are over here. They're all painted up. There they are. And inside of the doors are all painted, ready to rock and roll. Yeah. Then we're going to be bringing the 69 Camaro in and getting the passenger side quarter panel on it next week. And all we got left on that is one more quarter panel, then it's ready for the body shop. So things are moving along. But right now, I'm going to set this camera down and maybe I'll turn it back on and say, hey, here's what I did to the 58, and maybe I won't. We'll see. All I know is the end of the day is here, and I'm gonna go play with my car because it's my last chance to get to see her. Okay, guys, so I got the heater valve in, and I got my heater hoses on. I'm just waiting. I gotta put that down with the factory clamp. I just gotta clean up the clamp. So somebody had mentioned on the last video, tranny cooler. Well, I haven't got it hooked up yet. It goes into the rad, right? So kind of working on that still. So that's on there. Got the heater hoses on, and I got my gauge, all my wiring to my gauges over there, ready to go. Plug into the box. I don't know if you can see it under here. Got the courtesy lights in. They're ready to go. And I got another piece of, what do you call this stuff? Chromium on the dash there. That's right. You want me to say it one more time for you? The chromium. Got that on there. So, that's it. That's all I got done for now. It's going to take off now, and we're going to get this thing over to my buddy Dan, my wiring guy, and he's going to start wiring it up. So she's going to be gone for, it's going to be gone for a couple weeks. So in that time, in the meantime, I guess on Sunday fun days, I'll bring the 58 Ford around. And we'll do an oil change, and we'll change the plugs and the air filter, and we'll check her all out, check the tranny fluid, check the diff fluid, we'll give her the whole maintenance, check her all out, pull the wheels, check the brakes, give her a wash, give her a clean, and that's it. So hey, it's always a good time at old time. We'll see you next time.